Hi, good morning everyone. My name is P.C.Sijabat. I'd like to elaborate more on what I learned with Pak Prof. Lectures on finance. I am the regular student of MBA and here's my mapping. The structures of these presentations will be followed by these 5 topics, start from financial management, liquidity analysis, capital structures, special topic, and what do I learn in the past 7 weeks of subject. About the financial management, we learned that financial management is the orchestration between internal and external of financial resources. There will be include into several points, start from the value creations, the principal agent problems, the good corporate governance, and 5 business essentials, follow with the capital budgeting. And about the value creations, about returns on the invested capital, cash flow, return on equity, and profit margins. About the principal agent problems, we have learned about the conflict of interest, asymmetric informations, and moral hazard. About the GCG or good corporate governance, we learn about transparency, accountability, responsibility, independency, and fairness. About the 5 business essentials that been teach by Ramcharan, we learn about cash, profit margin, velocity, growth, and customer focus. Ramcharan itself is an Indian person who are a CEO, are Nobel winnings, and experts in business and economics. And about the capital budgeting, we have learned about the applications of time value of money. We learn about the estimate expected future cash flow. We learn about the NPV, internal rate of returns, profitability index, and payback period that will be used to measure whether the company should invest into one project or not. And we learn about the liquidity analysis. Liquidity analysis is about outside and inside perspective on measuring some things. It will followed by the investment strategy, like info gatherings, decisions, monitorings, and performance evaluations. I learned that there are 6 points that we should be follow into this analysis. Start from fundamental analysis, defining the intrinsic value of one company, financial statement analysis, technical analysis, analysis, and risk and quality. And about fundamental analysis, I learned about domestic and global economic analysis, also followed by the industry analysis and company analysis. About the intrinsic value, if the value is higher than the market, we should buy the price with the stock. Or if the value is lower than the market price, we have 2 choices: either sell the stock or do the stock sales to gain the capital gain or revenue. Or if the value is equal with the market price, we should hold or maybe wait until until sometimes the price will be fair. About the financial statement analysis, we have learned about several things, start from profitability, liquidity, activity, leverage, market ratio, industry benchmark, and historical trend. About the technical analysis, we have learned about several things also, start from momentum versus reversals. And about the trend, uptrends and downtrend, able to define support price, support levels, or the gap, moving average, and angle analysis, the metrics for us. For the DuPont analysis itself, we have learned about how to calculate the better ROE to define whether the company is healthy or not, or worth it to invest or not. We have learned about the profit margin, total asset turnover, and financial leverage. The last thing is about risk versus volatility. We have learned about the capital asset pricing model of our CAPM, Let's only consider the systematic risk. We have learned also how to calculate the beta value about the systematic risk or the market movements compared with the overall market risk. And the next thing is we learn about the capital structures. It's about long-term source of fund that will able or teach us about doing the financial structures. We have learned several things, start from debt versus equity, start from the theory of Modigliani and Miller's, and the optimal capital structures. About the debt and equity, debt is cheaper than equity, while investment in equity is risky. If we compare with the debt itself, if you use the debt, you should able to have the lower WACC. And in fact, if you have the high level of debt, WACC will increase, and automatically the risk perceptions from the risk debt versus equity. On the Modigliani and Miller theory, we have learned about the capital structures theory, no costs, no taxes, capital structures of company that does not affect its value itself, and we have to be criticized into every aspect on valuing something or the company. About the optimal capital structure, we have learned about two things, apart from tax benefit and financial distress. We have learned about the profitability, tax rate, and interest rate. On the financial distress, we have learned about the quality of the cash flow itself, the liquidity, the business score or good corporate governance scores, and the all-round scores should be positive. And for the special topic, we have learned about the fraud risk management, about the dividend policy, about the corporate structures. The fraud risk management, we have learned three things about the investment fraud triangle, and the investment fraud itself is about legality of the company, people, product, and contract, and how to doing the payment mechanisms of one company or projects. And about the fraud triangle, we have learned about the opportunities, rationalizations, and pressures. And every company should have the better or good whistleblower mechanisms to prevent this practice. And about the dividend policy, we have learned about why companies should pay the dividend to the investors. The first one is about the tax benefit. The second one is about consistent paying dividend. It will show to the investors that the company has performance year by year. And about the corporate structure, learn about the fix the cash flow first, and about the leverage buyout or LBO on the Nabisco study case. And there is one statement from the field of the Michael Douglas that say, "Good is good, it is refers to growing and improving." One last thing that we learn and very big remember subject is, for example, is always says that opportunity is everywhere, and don't wait until someone make it for you, but you or us have to make it for ourselves the better thing. That's all from me. Hope this will bring the benefit to you, and happy learning.